In our community, we woke up at 4 o'clock, and we had a sitting meditation sections. After the sitting meditation session, we have a morning service. We recite the mantras. 大悲咒 is a great compassion mantra. It's very long. It's not like Om Mani Padme Hum. It's short on it. 南无大悲观世音菩萨，南无大悲观世音菩萨，南无大悲观世音菩萨。安奈登奈多那耶耶，南无利耶波罗揭谛萨婆拉耶，菩提萨埵婆耶，摩诃萨埵婆耶，摩诃迦卢尼迦耶，安萨婆拉法伊苏檀那达谢，南无悉吉利多伊摩诃利耶，波罗揭谛是波那能多波那摩那乃金持悉利，摩诃波多萨灭萨婆拉多苏蓬。After the morning service, we have we eat breakfast in the dining hall, and the way we eat is different from the ordinary people. Is there are two bowls on the table, and people will how to say, the other monastic will put the food in our bowl. They walk through the aisle between the table. We all say like you hold your bowl like you hold a dragon pearl. And after that, we have to there is a Chinese term we say 出钵. In ancient times, monastery, they will go to the like hill and to grow plants. Yeah, but 出钵, nowadays we say like do chores. We have to clean the place we live, the bathroom, all the public spaces, all the Buddha hall, meditation halls. And after doing this, and we go to office. Every person have different work. Like my work is teaching, so I teach, yeah. And but in the monastic schedule, 12 is lunch time, yeah. And after lunch time, we have a break. Monastic can take a nap, and till 2 o'clock, yeah, and go to work, yeah. And at 4:30 is for dinner. Some monastery they eat dinner, some people they don't eat. And later at 6 o'clock there is a evening service. And in the evening service we recite the Amitabha Sutra. One day is Amitabha Sutra, the other is kind of pray for 88 Buddhas. And later at 9 o'clock, there also is a session for sitting meditation. Yeah. And 10 o'clock, sleeping time. Process of ordination to become a nun. In my temple, before I tonsure, shave the hair. Before I shave the hair, I have to stay in a monastery and to adjust myself to the community life, the monastic life. And we also have to learn precept and meditation. And we also have to learn how to recite. And we also have to learn how to play the instrument, like a wooden fish and the bell. Yeah. And also we have to learn how to cook. Yeah. And this is my, before I shave my head. And after shave my head, and we have to keep the 10 precepts. No killing, no stealing, and no lies, no sexual contact, and no drinking. No use like cosmetic and something adorn your body. Not to sit or sleep on a very extravagant bed, and not to keep money. I do this for 1 year, and later I attend like ordination for bhikṣuṇī. Yeah. So the bhikṣuṇī precept is there are 348 precepts. And also we have to learn the demeanor, right? Like a table manners and how to walk, how to sleep, how to sit. This kind of demeanor. For a nun, we have to keep like a distance from a man. We cannot run, and when we sit, we have to sit upright. Yeah. Or when we eat, we cannot like a Westerner table manners. Like this way, we have to hold our bowl, and we have to hold our chopstick. We all say like you hold your bowl like you hold a dragon pearl. Yeah. And this kind of table manners. When we attend the ordination, we say there are 3 platform precept. The first platform is Saramana, it's 10 precept. The second is bhikṣuṇī precept. The third is bodhisattva precept. And this burning mark is when we take the bodhisattva precept, we have to burn this to offer the bodhisattva. You concentrate, like when the teacher burn my head, I just keep reciting the Avalokiteśvara's name, and this kind of can keep my mind concentrated and not to distracted by hurt, the pain. Yeah.